Hi everyone. So here we are taking an example of Lululemon where you want to automate Lululemon applications one flow where I add item to the cart. So the way you do it is you go to ContextQA platform and in here you go to create a test case. So once you create a test case, you would item to cart, right? And you would change any configuration you want to change. Once you do it, you can click on it, come over here, click on AI integrate, copy and paste your manual test case or import from Jira, and click on. So yeah, this test case will be created for you, and this test case will have all the details. It will take a screenshots for you. So you go ahead and click on and it will start executing for you of the. So once it starts execution, you will see the live screens of the application with all the networks and console logs. So that will help you to understand if there are any errors coming up or not. Once you automate it, it will generate and run it. It will provide you this kind of recording, and this recording will be available to you, as well as you can see the trace, so you can understand what is going on. So you will be able to debug and see what is the trace are being provided to you. Also, it will provide you all the errors and network errors to you, so you can understand what are the issues are happening behind the scene. Forward, you can use ContextQA and create a test case summary, and that will create this summary. So this is a baseline context. This is something you can also edit as well. So this is important to have a alignment with the product team. What is the behavior of your test case would look like, so any subsequent test execution happens, it automatically compares with the baseline summary of your test case. It will provide you the root cause analysis. So this is how it will look like. Tool will provide you the information is what is the important critical path that you should automate and increase the coverage in a less number of test cases, and it will find out all the paths that you are looking for and how your applications behaves, and it provides you the more understanding of what are the critical path you can have over here. So that will help you to understand the impact of particular test case and how it works and how it affects the other test cases. Having said that, it provides you the different reports. One is a performance testing report. So the way you do it is go here and click on performance testing, and it will provide you the reports. So this is the report it will provide and highlight. Another report it will provide to you is the security testing report. So once you click on it, it will provide you this report, and this will highlight all the important vulnerabilities to your platform. You can also generate the accessibility and load testing report. So accessibility testing report looks like this one, which has all the violations as well as all the categories that it is finding out for you with all the details, as well as it will have a load testing report for you. This platform can also support Salesforce testing as well as mobile application testing. So this is a Salesforce application testing. So in a Salesforce, you can do the functional testing as well as the API testing. And once you do the API testing, you can do the full contract testing as well as schema validation, data validation, status validations, and so forth. And you can use API and functional testing in the same test case, so you can perform end-to-end test case over here. Once you execute Salesforce testing, this is the recording will be available to you. So if you see here, it will tell you if there is a self-healing needed to be done. It automatically does it and provides you the information, as well as it will find out a visual regression. So it will compare pixel to pixel analysis for you, and you can also perform a cross browser testing. So here is the advanced features comes in. So same test cases, same test suites you can create and then run against different environments, different browsers. In this case, this test is running against different browsers, and it is a part of your CI/CD pipeline. So you can schedule overnight, and you can schedule every hour, every night, and once it is executed, it will provide you the reports, and this is the dashboard analytics you would see. So it will provide you the how many total test cases you have, how many pass and fail, and it's even further breaks down into these categories. Also, it will provide you the like a different charts, and you can see different scheduled jobs or CI/CD pipeline will look like. And you can go and take a look at deep dive into like what is the report look like. You can even further fill test cases. You can also go and look into detail like how these scenarios look like, and you can find what is the data are being passed, for which environment they are being automated, and so forth. And once you go in deep dive, it will provide the more detailed analysis of like what is happening over here, and so forth. You can also perform the test data. So you can import test data through API, or you can import through Excel spreadsheet, but you can have a test data. It can automatically generate the test data for you as well. And it can be fed to the test cases dynamically.